Interview questions and answers, Foreign Trade, Part 1. What is letter of credit? Answer: credit means any arrangement, whatsoever named or described that is irrevocable and constitutes a definite undertaking of issuing bank to honor a complying presentation. What is complying presentation? Answer: complying presentation means presentation in accordance with the terms and conditions of the credit, the applicable provisions to these rules and international standard banking practice. What is negotiation? Answer: negotiation means purchase of documents under a complying presentation, by advancing or agreeing to advance to the beneficiary on or before the banking day on which reimbursement is due. What is first half and second half in a credit? Answer: first half indicates first to 15th day of a month and second half indicates 16th to the last day of the month. What is beginning, middle and end in a credit? Answer: beginning, middle and end shall be construed respectively as the 1st to 10th, the 11th to 20th and the 21st to the last day of a month. What is force majeure? Answer: force majeure means a bank assumes no liability or responsibility for the consequences arising out of the break of its business for acts of God, riots, civil commotions, insurrections, wars, acts of terrorism, strike, lockouts, or any other causes by beyond its control. A bank will not, upon resumption of its business, honor or negotiate under a credit that expired during such interruption of its business. What are the major types of documents in foreign trade? Answer: financial documents, commercial documents, transport documents, insurance documents, official documents. What are the financial documents in foreign trade? Answer: bills of exchange, promissory notes, checks, or other similar instruments used for obtaining the payment of money. What are the commercial documents in foreign trade? Answer: pro forma invoice, commercial invoice, certificate of origin, packing list, weight or measurement certificate, quality or inspection certificate. What are the transport documents in foreign trade? Answer: bill of lading, airway bill/air consignment note, railway receipt/railway consignment note, roadway bill, mate's receipt, post parcel documents. What are the insurance documents in foreign trade? Answer: marine cargo insurance, marine hull insurance, freight, perils covered under marine cargo policies. What are the official documents in foreign trade? Answer: consular invoice, legalized invoice, blacklisted certificate. Health, veterinary and sanitary certificate/phytosanitary certificate, certificate of analysis. What is export? Answer: export means lawfully carrying out of anything from one country to another country for sale. What is short form/blank bill of lading? Answer: bill of lading in which the detailed conditions of transportation are not listed in full, on the back of the bill of lading. What is straight bill of lading? Answer: bill of lading which is issued in the name of certain party and which cannot be transferred by endorsement. What is port or custody bill of lading? Answer: bill of lading issued by the port officer or warehouse supervisor stating that the goods have been received for shipment. What is mate's receipt? Answer: when the goods are handed over to the agent of the shipping company for shipment by a specified vessel and the agent contracts to do so, he issues a receipt known as mate receipt. What is notify address? Answer: address mentioned in the BL or airway bill to which the carrier is to give notice regarding the arrival of goods. What is on-board bill of lading? Answer: it is issued after the goods have been received on board ship. What is received for shipment bill of lading? Answer: this document merely confirms that the carrier has received the goods for shipment and is holding the goods in its custody. What is liner party bill of lading? Answer: liner bill of ladings are issued by shipping companies in respect of goods carried on regular line vessels with scheduled runs, and reserved berths at destination. What is charter party bill of lading? Answer: a charter party is a contract under which a ship owner agrees to place his ship at the disposal of a merchant or other persons, charter, for the carriage of goods from one port to another, voyage charter, or to let his ship for a specified period, time charter. What are the types of charter party bill of lading? Answer: there are basically two types of charter parties: demise, ship owner only provides vessel, and non-demise, ship owner provides both vessel and crew. What is clean or claused bill of lading? Answer: a clean bill of lading is one which bears no clause or notation which expressly declares a defective condition of the goods and or the packaging. Otherwise it is not a clean bill of lading, that is a claused bill of lading. What is nostro account? Answer: the accounts which a bank maintains with overseas banks/branches are called nostro or our accounts.
What is freight paid and freight collect bill of lading? Answer: when freight is prepaid at the time of shipment or in advance, the bill of lading would be marked freight paid. Otherwise BL would be marked freight collect. What papers are needed to open wage earners FC account? Answer: photocopy of employment contract/appointment letter/offer letter/payroll paper and letter of authority. Import/export policy is issued for how many years? Answer: 3 years. What is the minimum rate of value addition required for export of knit garments and baby garments? Answer: knit garments 20% and baby garments 15%. In which condition second-hand/reconditioned capital machineries used in industry shall be importable? Answer: a certificate from a surveyor enlisted, nominated, or appointed by NBR that each machine has at least 5 years economic life for generators or generating sets and 10 years economic life for all other machineries must be submitted along with bill of lading. In which condition import of explosives including trinitrotoluene, TNT, can be allowed? Answer: prior approval of the Chief Inspector of Explosives of the Ministry of Power, Energy and Mineral Resources. Quarantine conditions shall be applicable for import of which products? Answer: animals, plants, and plant products. What is the minimum required percentage of insured value on the insurance document, unless otherwise stated in the documentary credit? Answer: 110%. What is the group of Incoterms under which the seller's responsibility is to obtain freight paid transport document for the main carriage? Answer: C terms. Which Incoterm should indicate the place of shipment? Answer: in case of F terms. What is the group of Incoterms arranged in order of increasing responsibility of exporter? Answer: E, F, C, and D terms. What is the Lcaf validity for machinery and spare parts import? Answer: 17 months for shipment and 30 months for remittances. What is the Lcaf validity for HR coil, scrap, pig iron and sponge and 360 dp import? Answer: 9 months for shipment and 18 months for remittances. What is the Lcaf validity for import of commodities other than machinery, spare parts HR coil, scrap, pig iron and sponge and 360 dp? Answer: 9 months for shipment and 12 months for remittances. In which year International Chamber of Commerce, ICC, a worldwide non-governmental organization of thousands of companies, was founded? Answer: in 1919, Paris. In which year World Trade Organization, WTO, was founded? Answer: on January 1, 1995, Geneva. Which bill of lading is issued for the entire voyage covering several modes of transport transshipments? Answer: through bill of lading. Which amount of foreign currency are industrial enterprises and service sector industries allowed to remit through their nominated ads on account of costs of training and consultancy services, audit fee, certification fee, commissioning fee, testing fee, valuation fee, etc.? Answer: up to 1% of annual sales as declared in their previous year's income tax return or $1 lakh, whichever is higher. What is the maximum ceiling of combined investment in wage earner development bond, US dollar premium bond and US dollar investment bond? Answer: BDT 1 crore foreign currency equivalent. In which currency ads may open nostro account under AMU, Asian Monetary Unit? Answer: in ACU, dollar, or ACU, euro. What the expression on or about or similar will be interpreted in a credit. Answer: as a stipulation that an event is to occur during a period of 5 calendar days before or 5 calendar days after the specified date, both start and end dates included. Why are the words to, until, till, from, and between used in a credit? Answer: to determine a period of shipment include the date or dates mentioned. Why are the words before and after used in a credit? Answer: to determine a period of shipment exclude the date or dates mentioned. Why are the words from and after used in a credit? Answer: to determine a maturity date exclude the date mentioned. What is exchange position? Answer: it is the status of total holding of foreign currency on a particular point of time. It is the balancing amount between the purchase and sale of foreign currency. What is the most preferable payment method for an importer? Answer: open account. Import policy order and export policy are published by which authority? Answer: Ministry of Commerce. What does the term euro-dollar indicate? Answer: USD in countries other than USA. Goods can only be taken on board for export if the goods are accompanied by which document? Answer: for sea or air shipping bill, for land bill of export and for transshipment bill of transshipment. What does transshipment means? Answer: transshipment means unloading and reloading from one vessel to another vessel and from one mode of transport to another mode of transport. What is a green clause letter of credit? Answer: a letter of credit that provides for granting of pre-shipment finance as well as storage of goods in the name of the bank is a green clause letter of credit.
What is confirmation? Answer: confirmation means a definite undertaking of the confirming bank, in addition to that of the issuing bank to honor, negotiate a complying presentation.